Welcome to an overview discussion and demonstration of the Employee Self-Service Portal from DELMIAworks. This web-based tool allows organizations to grant employees access to review and make changes to their personal employment data, including payroll, 401k and benefit information, and so on. First and foremost, system administrators can grant various levels of access and security within this tool based on the roles of employees within the organization. This ensures sensitive employee information remains secure, allowing only relevant personnel access to these areas of the system. Users can also view accrual data, including information pertaining to vacation and sick days they have earned, already used, and that which is still remaining. Finally, users can view all certifications they have earned within the organization, as well as the expiration dates for those particular designations. The portal also grants users the access to perform self-service actions within the system, including updating emergency contact information, employee home address, and the dependent and beneficiary record information. Let's now take a look at the Employee Self-Service Portal, beginning with opening the browser of your choice. For this demo, we'll be using Google Chrome. Once logged in, we can see the WebDirect Employee Portal. Going down the menu on the left, we first see Messages. This is where users can send and receive messages with individuals who do not have access to the internal email system within their organization. Company-wide messages can be received in this tool as well, such as information regarding W-2 distribution to the company. Selecting Benefits allows users to view both sick and vacation accrual, including the amount already taken, total per year, and the amount left to take. These details are generated using the information within the payroll modules of the system, as set by Human Resources. Clicking on the links under Quantity Taken and Quantity Accrued will show the user more detailed information for the given figure. Deductions presents the user with all of their current payroll elections. These include 401k, dental and medical insurance, as you can see here, as well as vision and life insurance, and any health savings accounts the user may have selected during their enrollment period. You will notice this information includes the specific method chosen for each deduction, such as a percentage or flat amount from each paycheck. The next item on the menu, Emergency Contacts, allows users to view, add, and edit their list of emergency contacts for use by the Human Resources Department. Employment Information simply displays basic personal information about the given user, including contact details and social security number. Users can edit some of this information by clicking here, which includes items that may change over time, such as phone number, email, or physical residence address. It also includes employment information, such as job title, job description, department, date hired, and the date at which their next performance review is due from their manager. The Human Resources tab allows users to view the way in which their information is presented in the system, including dependents and beneficiaries. Users can also freely add beneficiaries on this screen as well by clicking Add. Query Earnings allows users to view and print past pay stubs and W-2s, as well as direct deposit information. Selecting Pay Stubs allows users to search for a specific stub either by check date or pay period ending date. Clicking on a specific check number will bring up that digital check stub, including relevant federal and state taxes, as well as the deductions we saw earlier in that section of the portal. Clicking on W-2 simply allows a user to generate and print their payroll W-2 data for any given year they have been employed at their organization. Direct Deposit shows the user not only the bank information that receives the direct deposit each pay period, but also includes the percentage breakdown of each check into multiple accounts if applicable. In this example, the user is splitting each paycheck evenly into a savings and checking account. The Skills tab includes any certifications and training that the given user possesses, the information for which comes directly from the employee maintenance modules within the system. Certifications displays the employee's current job description, certification level, and the date at which the certification expires. Training shows all of the various training courses that have been taken by the user, and their corresponding completed, effective, and retraining due dates. This also includes the number of hours spent on each training subject, as well as the individual who administered the training. Selecting a training item on the top displays the associated certified documents below. Taxes allows users to view how taxes are being withheld from their paycheck every pay period, including the number of dependents and any extra amounts the employee has specified. This information is used by the payroll modules to calculate taxes for each individual as well as for the organization as a whole. Under time tracking, users can view both their general time cards as well as their tasks or job cards. These show each time the user clocked in and out from specific tasks while at work. In short, the time card is used for payroll purposes, and the tasks job card acts more as direct labor information. Finally, selecting Reports gives the user access to run any reports they have been granted access to, and can be generated in a number of formats, such as HTML, Excel, Word, PDF, and CSV. These can be especially useful if the user needs proof of income for, say, a new car loan or home mortgage. This concludes our overview of the Employee Self-Service Portal. This secure web-based tool is a valuable way for employees to access virtually all of the information relevant to themselves within their organization, including benefit details, paycheck deductions, emergency contact information, and more. As we have seen, some of this information can be changed at any time by the employee, giving them the flexibility to stay up to date when their preferences and needs change without having to rely on human resources to make the edits for them.
Thank you for taking the time to watch this overview of the DELMIAworks Employee Self-Service Portal. If you would like more information on the products and services from DELMIAworks, please visit 3ds.com/DELMIAworks.